Hey loves, welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Welcome to episode 2 of the series where I define people's hair using the My Crown of Curls product line. Today I have the beautiful Nisi with me and she has waist length hair. She's also pregnant. So I'm showing you guys that it is safe for everyone who's pregnant. There are no chemicals in these products. They are all natural and amazing. So yeah, let's get into this video. Her hair is like so long, guys, so long. So the first thing that I do is I section out her hair and then I apply our hair growth elixir like I usually do for all of our clients. It's so important to keep up the health of our scalps. Then I spritz her hair with some water and then I apply some of our leave-in conditioner to moisturize her hair because she asks for a trim. So I'm going to give her hair just a little bit of a trim. And as I moisturize her hair, I moisturize her hair as I usually would, where I apply a leave-in conditioner first and then a curl cream, and then I seal it in with a butter. Her butter of choice was the My Crown of Curls Frosted Lavender Buttercream. So that's how we are moisturizing her hair today. Our style of choice is 3-strand twist. So what I did was that I 3-strand twisted her hair all around, and because her hair was so long I couldn't manage to 3-strand twist 20 inches of hair, so I 3-strand twisted them halfway down and then I 2-strand twisted the rest and of course bantu knotted the ends. So it's 3 days later and these are how her twists are looking, and we're going to take down her 3-strand 2-strand twist. So she has been telling me for quite a while that her hair can't achieve a twist out. So here I am about to prove her wrong.
A twist out achieved.
So guys, could you believe that the best part of this video has no audio? She says that she's a believer, and could you believe that a twist out was achieved on her hair? Her hair? That's what she's saying. And she's saying that she's also a believer. I am very pleased with the results of this twist out. I love the reactions when my clients think that they can achieve a twist out or moisturized, bouncy, shiny hair, and then they realize that they can. I just live for moments like this. So guys, as you can see, her 4A 4B hair turned out amazing and she absolutely loves it. So guys, thank you so much for being a part of the My Crown of Curls family. Be sure to come back for another video. I think the next video is going to be on super thick, amazingly thick 4B hair. So be sure to check back for that, and that video will be up this week as well. So yeah guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Love ya, and stay tuned to Instagram where video clips will be up as well.